Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Towheed Tech. In today's unboxing video, we are unboxing Zordai ZD8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. It is a clone version of 49mm Apple Watch Ultra. Before we start the unboxing video, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. I highly appreciated your support to my YouTube channel. So let's start the unboxing. I ordered this one from AliExpress. Price for this one is £30 plus taxes, and it's well secured, packed in well packing. I received the delivery within 2 weeks. So let's take the packages out first. Well packed with a bubble wrap. So there is a inner package. So guys, this is a Zordai ZD8 Ultra Plus smartwatch, which is a max version, and this Apple Watch clone have IPS screen with a 520 by 585 screen resolution. The battery capacity for this one is 420 milliamp, and this one have a heart rate sensor and G sensor and the Bluetooth 5.0. So let's take a look inside the content in the box. So there is a watch. First of all, we have a look in this one. There's some stuff inside the cardboard. So this one have user manual saying Zordai ZD8 Ultra Max Plus. There's so much information in English and in Chinese. Put that on a side. And this one have one yellow strap, and there's a magnetic charger just like a Apple Watch charger, and there's one ocean silicone strap, very good one. And finally there is a watch here. Let's put everything on a side. So there's a silicone wrap on this one. Take the silicone wrap out first. This is a heart rate sensor and the magnetic charging grip on the back. This is a real screw and the strap locks. On the side there's a ground key and side button, and on the right side there's a speaker grill, mic grill and action button. There's one more screen protector on. Let's take that out, and this is how that look. This one have a little weight to this one, just like original one. Let's turn that on. So that's turned on. So if you turn the crown key, you will see some of the watch faces. As you can see, the bezels around the watch are uneven, and the screen resolution is even says 520 by 585, but I don't think so that's a screen resolution is accurate in here, because I can see there's a difference in the LCD panel. So if you press that, it will turn off the display. If you press the side button, you will see some of the information for the exercise. As you can see, the texts are not quite sharp enough in there as the original one. So on the right side button, if you press that one, that will show some of the shortcut in here. And let's hold that for a few seconds, and you can lock and unlock the screen which you would like to see in here. Just press like that, and we'll see the brightness of this. So this is the lowest brightness, this is the medium, little bit high, and this is a full brightness. First of all, going to, I think, is a language. This is Dutch selected already, so I have to select English, and then go back. Now that's the English mode. In here you can see dial switches, turn off displays, screen off, screen time. Will increase this one, keep bright, go back, screen off, style 1, style 2. There's only 2 styles in here. Go back, we'll go back again, go to vibration. There's a 3 level of vibration in this watch: level 1, level 2 and level 3. This one is a quite strong one. It's not really clearly strong enough like original Apple Watch. And then we go to power saving, open and close, ring tune, go to the ring tune. There's a phone ring tune. But you can hear clearly. It's not too loud, but you can still hear properly. It's not a big deal. Go to the messages one. Let's see if that. Yeah, that's loud enough for the clone watch. You have alarm in there as well. You can adjust the alarm. You can set the password. You can set the watch to the factory setting from here. And if you swipe upward, you can see there's a few of the watch apps in there. Let's put the stops on. I would like to put this one on first, silicone one, and see how's the look on my wrist. So I believe this one going to be on the top one, so let's slide that in first. So the lock is quite strong and is hold quite well. And then I'll put the bottom one as well. Okay, this way. Yeah, so this is how the look on my wrist, quite fit well, but my wrist is smaller, so the watch look bit bigger, but it's not too bad. It's look nice. And you can see the compass is working as well, but because this is IPS LCD screen, even is bright enough, but still you can see the text is not sharp enough in there. Let's see the heart rate sensor if that work. This is not a medical grade watch in here, so that shows my heart rate is 75, but I do not rely on this one because that can give you the false reading. Switch it up. Let's see if that work. 97%, but that's not gonna be accurate one. So this watch have so many different options. This watch have compass mode, this watch have ECG app, body temperature, oxygen, NFC, even the torch, and the watch faces you can record your audio here, wait to tap option, and will activate the series on your phone. So connect this watch with my phone. I have to download the Zordai app, and when you go to device, add device and scan, it will connect. That shows in here. Allow using app, finish, and that's going to connect with my phone. This one connecting via Bluetooth, and it will sync. So that shows me some information on the phone app. This is your watch has new firmware, please update and upgrade. I'll upgrade that one just in case there's some improvement in touch as well. So now the watch is updating the firmware. Okay, so this one is update it. Let's go to the some of the face watch on my phone app. So for example, we check this one out. So you have to push that to your watch to show that on your watch. So the app is quite slow transferring the data to the watch. Now the same watch face come to my watch, and here's some of the setting you can do for your watch. As there's you can use your watch to take photo, so there's an option you can check and click on that one. So as you can see the button here, and when you click on this one, it will take a photo, and you can remotely take some photo with your watch if the phone is adjusted to take a photo a little bit further away. And cancel this one. Now the messages, if you click this one, whenever the message come to your phone, will shows on your watch as well. And other notification you can set whenever any notification come to your phone, will show same time on your watch as well. You can select which notification would you like to see on your watch. For example, you can adjust Messenger app, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, as you can see, and I will adjust the WhatsApp one as well, and maybe Telegram, or you can select all if you like. We'll go back on that one, and you can, if you lost your watch, and you can just go to the app and it will make a sound, so you can find out where the watch is. You can adjust the Bluetooth calling. You have to turn on the audio connectivity shows on your phone in here. So this also NFC in the watch. You can turn on that one to pay Apple Pay, but I do not trust on this one because this is a clone version. It's not going to be secured your data in there, so be careful with that one. And there is some sports mode inside the app. You can adjust that for running, walking, cycling. And the health app in here, you can see your blood pressure, ECG, body temperature, and sleeping cycle. But this one is not a medical grade sensor in here, so do not rely on this one, because so that will give you a fake information, because it's not 100% accurate medical grade sensor in there, but it will give you some kind of close enough information as that says on their product. But let's dig deeper to the watch faces more, and we'll see how many other watch faces are there. So there's so many to choose from, and you can also adjust your own watch face. You can put your own picture or own style, and you can download more in there. There's quite a lot in here actually. So for example, I would like to put that one in, so you have to push that one. So I'm not sure how many watch faces you can add to your watch at the moment, but I will make a review video later on, and I will show you some more information regarding this watch. And I have ordered some of the other watches as well, which is also clone version, like HK8 and H11 Ultra Pro. So we will going to unbox that one, and we also going to compare with this watch as well, the quality, build quality, and the screen resolution, and the function of the watches. Going to check everything in detail, so stay tuned to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. Try out the orange strap as well. And it's not easy to take out, it's take quite force in there to put that on. So we'll slide that one in and see how's that look on my wrist. So I think you have to take this out from here, and then you can adjust that to your desired level, and you can wear this just like that, and then tighten up, and then you can just lock just like that. Please pair the Bluetooth audio. So as you can see, somebody text, so I received the text. There's a red light in there. So I have noticed you can only add one watch face from your phone to your app, because that shows only the one watch face in here which you uploaded from the phone, and rest of them is already built in. So you can select one at a time. So this one connect with the Bluetooth as well, so you can call Bluetooth calling. You can see, I can see the messages here. So the messages, the message come to my phone on WhatsApp, and that shows in here. And this one you can also delete, and that will disappear from here. So guys, this is my unboxing video of Zordai ZD8 Ultra smartwatch. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now and press the bell icon button for the future upcoming video notification. And thank you very much for watching. I will see you in next video.